here. So I can make the head, this part is very less, nose part is very bigger. And I'm creating some amazing character. The shapes are not break, the shape is almost the same, just like creating something new. Alright? So now I can make this character a little fatty, so I can make the fatty like this. I can add like this. Be sure, understood, be sure. This is very important for you guys, you know, like the character design concept. So now I can, if you make something crazy, pose is good. So I can make the pose like this. You can, that is the pose. Some old man. Okay, with this hand, the stick. So it's more, it's look more nice. So that's why I just this pose is T pose. This pose is all those character whatever I show now. Maximum a T pose, the standing pose. But if you make something gesture, something talking, something walking, so it's look more live. So that's why I do just change the hand like this. Okay, like this. And you see, it's not look odd, it's match everything. The hand I make the bigger to small, it's match everything. That is the, you know, the strong point of this shape language. So I can make it, see that strong. It's look the character a little bit of down, no? A little bit of head down, right? Because the shoulder is here. So थोड़ा झुक के जा रहा है, मतलब what's it called in English? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Like it's down the shoulder. So now after that, okay. So leg also this character. Okay, here some, yes. Put some brown like this. If you make the hair like this also can do. Put a small hair. Or like this. If you want to add. Yeah, it's fun. So you can create this leg, it's a little bit of. You can make the much modification because all character is little changes, right? So you are not this character little changes. The shoulder bigger, shoulder curve. The leg is small, leg bigger. So we can't do when your character the lots of changes. Otherwise the different character is coming. You should maintain the same shape, little bit of your modifying. Because basic shape is very simple now. Basic shape is like this only. The basic shape is very simple, so we can't do. So this character challenge yours. I draw this character here. This is your challenge. You can make your own ideas. This I show you my idea over here. Okay. That is the challenge in this drawing session. So creating the character, your own ideas. Suppose in this bag, some going to grocery market or fish market or something. Holly. It's coming from the old man, you know, let's go to the grocery market or vegetable market and buy something, vegetables, and come back home like this. ওকে এইভাবেই খাওয়াই, বুঝলে তো? খিদে না পেলে খাইও না, আর রুটি করতে বলো, তাহলে খাচ্ছি এখন। মাকেও বলো যদি ও বাড়িতেও থাকে রুটি খাওয়াতে পারে। Right. So now this is your challenge to create the character with this shape. I really crazy to see anything else. I can do the at least 100 character minimum. So new. I remember if I want to make the African character, this how looks it is. Same shape. So like this I can think about that. If I create something Mexican characters, how look this? Some tribal character, how look this? So this is just amazing. We can just create something thoughts. Okay, we can apply. If I want to make some like a Kannada character, Tamil character, we can make this different. Okay. For example, I can just create here one. You can do your own idea. I just draw it. Okay. I do blank 5 minutes now, so no need idea. And after that, I also do again this drawing. I show one character, but now you just create your idea. First make this character, and then try to apply the same shape, but your own idea. So can just anything else. You can make the pajama or lungi or t-shirts or superhero or hair, whatever eyes, glass, mustache, whatever you think, you can just draw. You can see any from your Google, from your mobile, any character you can see. Just search in your mobile character design, and you can see the lots of character. You just implement that character in this shape. This is also the way. Just go to your mobile and Google and search the character design, and you can see thousands of character, billion of character. So just see what character match with this shape. So you can modification. Start like this first, then you can getting idea a lot, because it's the first time, so you are not getting idea that much. But if you see the first time, if you do.
We have not seen. I have not seen much characteristics. So this is totally new for me.
No, yeah, ma'am. Just suppose to see. This is a box, so you just make suppose to eyes, nose, mustache, ear, and here. Suppose to. This is also, or supposed to beard. This is also character. Suppose if I make to the king. Suppose it's a king. You make this like this. I just give you the idea. Okay, I just want to make the king. Some king for the kids movie. Okay, suppose to the king. We make some. Yeah, just make something. The old king, no, this is the shape like this. You can make this. Okay, here some. See, this is. I just take. I never seen this character before. I just think about it. Okay, so it looks like any king, na, isn't it? So I know it is not coming first time. Just why I say you just search the Google character designing and see few character. Okay, see few character, and that you just after the character getting idea. Okay, this is fun. We can do this character little bit up like this. So you can go ahead like this. This is your first class for the Anita ma'am, and you're doing well. I'm sure, but just bravely you do. Just start. Okay, whatever is coming, I expect. I accept it, because that is the creativity. Creativity comes from the very crash level. It's not I expecting that you are doing the Disney character designer kind of quality, but something else. Even I am doing this is not Disney qualities. I just crash level. Disney artists are making the 60 years, 70 years, then a good character artist. So we need more experience and more. But at least I just think 30 seconds I make a character. That's I reach that quality last 20 years. So I need more 20 years, then I can reach the Disney quality. So that's why I say, ma'am, today is the first class, and I believe you can do it. You can make anything else, whatever you can make this. Just try to add something, eyebrow, different eyes. You can make the big eyes like this, small eyes like this, whatever you can, just experiment. Nashu ma'am, understood ma'am? Nashu ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
it's
sir.
interesting, right? You can do it.
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir.
Yes.
First one is completed. Second
Very
one is
nice. Vishwa, is this interesting, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will.